As real estate agents, we all know we should be creating content to grow our business. But planning, filming, scripting, and editing takes a lot of work. So today I'll show you how to use AI to script, create, and edit videos in just 60 seconds. Here is the results video.
Thinking about buying or selling in Austin? Here's what just dropped in the latest June market update. Median price is holding steady at $450,000. No change there. Closed sales ticked up slightly to just over 2,700 homes sold.
But yeah, that entire video right here is generated using just AI. So here is the exact demo and the step-by-step that I did in order to make this happen. If you want to download this step-by-step guide right here, you can use the link down below, and you can download this to show you exactly what this process is like. So now let's walk you through. First, I'm at ChatGPT and I set up my content assistant GPT. So this is a custom GPT, it's a project GPT with the instruction right here. You can also get this prompt if you download this, if you access this document to show you exactly what that prompt is. You can just change the city from Austin, which is where I base out of, change it to your city, and then you'll create content local in that area. And what I did, this is a market update video. I gave it the latest market update video from my MLS, which is a picture like this showing the median price, closed sales, etc. And that video created a script. This is what I'm going to copy and paste into my caption. But I also asked it to create a copy and pastable script right here. So this is the script that I'm going to use. I copy it and I come to my AI avatar. I also did a video on how to, I made a video for my community to how to set up your AI avatar so you don't ever have to film again. So this is my AI avatar. I did a quick AI avatar video. I have like 3 versions of myself. So I used this guy right here. Let me get this little right here, copy, paste. So now I'm going to make you here real quick. So now this is reading through this.
Buying or selling in Austin? Here's what just dropped in the latest June market update. Median price is holding steady at 400.
So it sounds exactly like me. And this entire process took me less than, let's say, an hour to set up. If I want to make it really simple, I can even get it done in like just 10 minutes, making the AI avatar, AI version of myself. So this is what we're talking about when we're talking about AI automations. It's talking about scale, right? Talking about how we can create basically infinite number of content with just a click of a button, right? So it's not about just doing more work. It's about doing less work by creating a system that helps you create content at scale. So if you're interested in learning how to set up your AI avatar, you can join my currently paid community and access the deep dive videos on how to set up what is the best platform to use, what videos you need to film in order to have the best looking avatar and things like that. So take a look at that. If you're interested, click the link down below. If you're not interested yet, you can just download this free guide, which will be very detailed and walk you through what to do when you are trying to create an AI video, different tools out there. So after we generated the video, which I already did before, here's exactly what it looks like.
Thinking about buying or selling in Austin? Here's what just dropped in the latest June market update. Median price is holding steady at $450,000.
Which is already fantastic, right? So this version of myself, you can see the mouth, the lips, the hand gestures. This is all AI generated. I gave it a sample video, and then it just uses the voice. It just uses the script and generate the video using my voice, which is absolutely incredible. And the next step is you download this video because right now it looks plain. It looks plain compared to other videos online. So you just come here to do your AI editor. What I like is using caption.ai, which is a fantastic platform out there. I am on their pay plan, so I can access their AI edit feature. But AI edit feature is fantastic. You click AI edit, and then you select the video. It has to be less than 60 seconds, by the way. Currently, this feature only available for less than 60 seconds. Click open, and then you have different templates, AI templates that you can use. You can use the paper, the prime. So you will use your gesture, you will create these sort of captions and all the zoom in, zoom out, all the effects automatically. That's what's blowing my mind, right? That's what's blowing my mind. And I created mine already, which is right here. And then here is the effect. I'm going to show you real quick.
About buying or selling in Austin? Here's what just dropped in the latest June market update. Median prices holding steady at $450,000. No change there.
So yeah, so this entire process, once you have the system set up, can be done in just 60 seconds or even sooner. You can use the link down below to download the guide, the free guide right here to walk you through step by step. You will also have access to a previous guide, which is how to set up your AI assistant. This is the prompt that you put into your system right here, into your custom GPT to understand, okay, what you're trying to do. So it becomes a better content creator. So this is very simple process, takes about 5 minutes to set up. And I think this is what the future of real estate content creation will look like, which is that you create automations, you create AI version of yourself that will create content for you on your behalf. So I don't have time sitting in front of the camera and create content all the time, right? So this is why having a system set up that helps you create content at scale is so valuable. And in the future, I'll probably make a video on how to automate this entire process using just a single click. You've probably seen some of my previous videos on how to create custom Facebook posts or Instagram posts using just pure automations where it runs on the background 24/7. In the future, this will be possible where content are created using my AI avatar 24/7. So I don't even have to film or even script. Everything's going to be done for me. So if you're interested, if you want to participate, have healthy and constructive and very valuable conversations about AI automation in real estate, join the community today. The prices will go up as more content are posted in that community. Right now, you can get access to deep dive videos on how to set up your HeyGen AI avatar that can serve on your behalf and create content for you. And if you're interested in learning, having this system implemented for you, you can also book a call with me to see how I can help you create a content strategy or content system that helps you create content at scale to grow your real estate business. And if you're interested in learning about how to create Instagram and Facebook content on automations, you can click this video down here.